Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey, hello and welcome to the AHA channel, the channel that makes you go AHA. And my name is Asri. In the episode of Translator Machine versus Human Beings. Of course, translator machine can do what people can't do. It can store millions or billions of vocabularies, but human can't do that. But when it comes to grammar rules or something that is related to feelings, values, or beliefs, well, sometimes machine cannot do that. Sometimes human beings are the only one who can do that. And today I will ask this translator machine to translate 5 words, phrases, clauses or sentences in Indonesian into English, and we will see if it works or not. And those 5 words, phrases, clauses or sentences are 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, and 5. Read it, it's over here. Okay, this is the first sentence that I ask that translator machine to translate it from Indonesian into English. And this is the result. The machine says, "How are you?" Now, do you think that the sentence, "How are you?" really represents the sentence, "Kamu ini bagaimana?" I say, I don't think so. Why? Because here we do not ask about someone's condition. We do not want to ask whether someone is fine, okay, or not okay. We do not ask for that question. In fact, we didn't ask about anything with the sentence, "Kamu ini bagaimana?" We, in fact, are annoyed or angry or disturbed about what someone has done to you or to someone else. So, this is a way to express, let's say, someone's anger. So the question is, how do you say that in English? How do you say the sentence, "Kamu ini bagaimana?" in English? Well, there might be many ways to say that, and any swearing word will do, and I will pick the weakest one. And this is how I say, "Kamu ini bagaimana?" in English, I think. Are you out of your mind? The second sentence that I want the translator machine to translate from English into Indonesian is this word. Mohon maaf lahir dan batin. Check out the result. The machine says, "Forgive me, body and soul." I was like, what? when I read that. So, okay, let's discuss about it. Do you think that "forgive me, body and soul" really represent the sentence, "Mohon maaf lahir dan batin"? Do you think that those native speakers will understand if we say, "Forgive me, body and soul"? I'll say, I don't think so, because the sentence, "Forgive me, body and soul" doesn't even make sense at all. So how do you say the mohon maaf lahir batin in English in a good way. I really don't know how to say that in English. I mean, the sentence I'm sorry, it's okay, but it's not formal and not strong enough to say that. So I say this sentence: I wholeheartedly ask for an apology. I guess it's the best way to say mohon maaf lahir dan batin in English. The third sentence that I want the translator to translate from Indonesian into English is this one: dia kepanasan. Check out the result. Okay, the machine says he is hot. What do you think? Do you really think that when someone says he is hot, it means that he is literally sweating, he is literally hot because of the weather? I say, I don't think so. Because when you say he is hot, it means that you like this someone. It means that he looks good or he looks cute or something like that. So how do you say dia kepanasan in English? I believe there are some ways to say that. There are better ways to say that, and number one is, this is just possibilities. There are many ways to say that. Number one is, it is hot. It is hot, not he is hot. And number two is that the weather is hot. Or the weather is too hot for him. The fourth sentence that I want the translator to translate that from English into Indonesian is this one: kamu jangan asal menuduh. Check out the result. Okay, the machine says, don't accuse you. So what do you think? Do you think that the sentence "don't accuse you" really represent the sentence in Indonesian "kamu jangan asal menuduh"? I say I don't think so. I mean, "don't accuse you" means something else, not "kamu jangan asal menuduh." So how do you say "kamu jangan asal menuduh" in English? I believe there are many ways to say that, and I can give you one suggestion, and this is the sentence: you can't just accuse someone like that. And with this sentence, I believe that native speakers will not have any problem to understand that word, that sentence. And this is the last phrase that I want the translator to translate that from English into Indonesian. And that is sok tahu. Please check it out. Okay, the machine says knowledgeably. And when I typed dia sok tahu, it says he is knowing. So what do you think? Do you think that those two words, two sentences, two phrases really represent the words sok tahu, the phrase sok tahu in Indonesian? I say I don't think so, because he is knowing or knowledgeably mean something else, not sok tahu. So how do you say the phrase sok tahu in English? I only know one way to say that, and please, if you know other way to say sok tahu in English, please you can drop your comment after I upload this video. Do you remember Kelly Clarkson? Yes, she was the winner of American Idol, but I don't remember which year it was. And one of her songs is entitled Mr. Know-It-All, and that is the best way, I believe, to translate the phrase sok tahu in Indonesian. So when you want to say dia sok tahu, you can say he is Mr. Know-It-All, or she is Mr. Know-It-All. Okay, I have to say that you cannot depend on translator machine all the time. I mean, sometimes those translator machines suggest words or phrases, clauses or sentences that sometimes doesn't make sense at all. And to get to the stage where you can say that a word, phrase, clause or sentence doesn't make sense at all, you need to learn English. You need to study English, and it needs process. It takes years for me. It took years for me, many years for me to get to the stage where sometimes I can say that this sentence doesn't make sense at all. So that's it for today. That's a wrap. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification buzzer so that you can catch up with my English lesson that I will upload on my channel. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.